Jordan, say hi. You're so in your lip.
You're recording me using that the whole time?
No, I just started recording. But it's so hot outside. I'm at my dad's softball game. No. Wait, he is? He's number one. Can't really know because they're batting now. Everybody on the team is batting now, so he's not playing right now. I think he's over there. No, that's not him. Can't really find him right now, but. Let me show you. I don't really know how to show it because, like, kind of behind the fence.
And I went to see Dave.
Oh my god, I want my Dr. Pepper.
Then get it.
I am. Makes good at night.
First sip of Dr. Pepper of the day.
So good.
And first can. Short goofy I can.
Shut up, bro.
I'm going to the playground.
I don't think it's gonna let us.
Yeah.
That's too far.
Yeah. Because there's nothing to do.
I don't know what time it is. Oh, it's 10:32, so that means.
It's still a.m.
Remember, we woke up at like 9, and we had to get ready. We had to eat breakfast, and then we had to drive here. Plus, we had to go to the store and get all the stuff, the cooler, the ice, the drinks, the snacks.
We didn't get no snacks. The snacks
I'm just saying we have snacks. What? Yo, do not eat my goldfish. You eat my goldfish, I will beat you. So, my lashes in the middle fell off, and I have to redo them for my birthday because my birthday is this Tuesday. My birthday is in 2 days. Actually, yeah. Goldfish. Give me.
What if I catch it?
That would be tough.
But bro, I would have felt it touch my
Oh,
face.
the bug just caught up in your pants. Merchant, I just saw it. Oh no, I saw it. I don't have a place to hold up my phone.
I'll pull through this one.
No, it doesn't fit well enough.
Here, you can put it on my hand to get it more height.
Got an idea. Hold up.
So guys, this is what I got.
Oreos. I got my favorite extra cheese Goldfish because like
I don't like the extra cheese, but I like the regular.
regular is so
rainbow.
plain, but I love extra cheese.
I like the rainbow one too.
Marcel likes the rainbow one.
Carlo, look how smooth I opened the Oreo.
Damn.
Look, guys, look. That's the cookie. There's the cream. Wait, is Oreo is basically a cookie cream sandwich?
Technically.
Yeah, because this is made out of cookies. And this
That's
is
made out of
cream.
milk. And no wait, that's made out of I don't know what it's called. You only eat the cream?
No. I ate the cream first, I love the cookie.
Me too.
This is how my sister be chewing stuff.
Yo, Skylar be smacking on something bad loud.
He'll be all Cheeto girl.
Like,
Why? Like that.
oh yeah, let me show you. The last time I was at this park, I was riding a scooter and I fell. Ew. Oh, it's show. I can't really tell if it's showing it or not. Bruh. I couldn't tell if y'all saw it or not, but yeah. Basically, I was riding a stop moving it. Basically, I was riding a scooter and I went too fast. And I had my sweater on my head, or the hood of my sweater on my head, and it fell off. And I took one off. Oh. Grab it. And I took one hand off the scooter and I fell forward and I kind of scraped it. Not bad. There was mad blood, but it's fine. No. Like a little bit when I put the cream on, it hurts. This goldfish is so good, bro. Oh yeah.
I tried the extra cheese.
The extra cheese is so good. Like,
Wait, let me try it.
one time I ate a whole pack of it.
This is my homework over the weekend is to try something new.
Have you ever tried Dr. Pepper? You never tried Dr. Pepper? Well, you're not getting none. Period.
Well, you gotta just take the same amount.
It got way more flavor. What are you talking about?
I'd say kinda, but I still
I hope I get tan today. I really want to get tan. You still eat it, bro. Fast second rule. Give me the trash. Give me the trash. Oh, big that guy. Oh my god, the sun is in the way. I can't even see my own phone.
look straight and go home. Chat, look. A straight home.
Ah, bro. Bro, don't. If y'all watching this, y'all need to be outside. It's mad hot today. Like, go to the beach, go to the park. Like, just do something, bro. It's mad hot. Get outside.
Wait. with your friends.
Yeah, like go with your friend, your family, anybody. Just go outside, but it's mad hot. Like even ride your bike around your neighborhood, bruh.
And if you can't ride your bike around the neighborhood, just ride.
Oh, we should have brought Winnie and Penny, but I don't know about Penny because she's too big. We should have brought Winnie. I told my dad that we should bring Winnie next time. So he go to his game next time.
When's his next game? Next week?
I don't know if he has a game next week. Next weekend, in like 2 weekends, it's my birthday week. But this weekend is my birthday weekend. I'm so happy.
Their birthday pretty much doesn't end until the end of the week.
Who?
Theirs.
What do you mean?
When everyone's birthday comes, if it's on Saturdays, then you're unlucky.
Why?
Because your birthday pretty much ends on like the end of the week usually.
Yeah, I tried a new style. So I did this, and then I did like a little curl, and then in the bun. It's messed up. It's like Jocelyn.
Wasn't it his last game over there?
Yeah. Yeah, they gotta do different like areas for each game, but they have 2 games today and they're playing against the Red Sox. I think that's what he said. We're probably gonna be here till like 3 o'clock. Like 3, 4 o'clock.
That's not that late.
Yeah, I know. It starts raining at 6 o'clock though.
That's what?
It starts raining at 6 o'clock.
Oh, damn.
Whew, it's hot. Ugh, how you walk out the house with no socks on?
What I want to do, learn how to do in soccer, the rainbow flip.
What's that?
It's where you have the ball between your legs, and you just do this. And then it just has to go, and then
My friend.
if you do it correctly, then it will have to go over your head, whole body, and like land in front of you.
And my big fat ass. Ooh, got some good Puerto Rican music.